Hey signers and first responders, this video is for you. We have compiled signs and phrases focusing on the areas for medics, police, and fire. Our hope is to provide you with a resource to make your job a tiny bit easier and more impactful. And if you haven't already, check out our first video on all things public service to give you a great starting foundation. So let's learn how to sign first responder signs. This first section is all about signs for medics. EMT is finger spelled, E-M-T. Paramedic is emergency medical person. Paramedic. Feel. Your middle finger, which is also called your feeler finger, is moving towards your chest in an upwards motion. Feel. Hurt. Now with hurt, you can move it anywhere on your body to show where there is an ache or a hurt. Breathe. You are showing the act of breathing in and out. Breathe. Calm. Your hands are showing the calming down. Calm. Allergies or allergic. You point to your nose and do the sign opposite. Allergies or allergic. Oxygen, as in the oxygen that you would get at the hospital. Oxygen. Medicine. You're shaking the middle finger of your dominant hand in your palm, showing like you're holding medicine. Medicine. Drug. Drugs can come in many different forms, so it's safe to fingerspell drug. Drink. It's like you're holding the cup and drinking it. Drink. Alcohol. Your index and your pinky are out and on their side. Alcohol. Smoking. You have a V-shaped hand representing the cigarette coming up to your mouth. Smoking. Pregnant. Your hand is moving out from your belly, but make sure you don't do it sideways and do this with it, because that would mean fat. Pregnant. Ambulance. Think of the lights flashing. Ambulance. Hospital. You have an H-shaped hand coming down and across like the red cross on your arm. Hospital. Now let's put these signs into sentences. Where are you hurt? Hurt where? Have you been drinking alcohol? You, since, drink alcohol? Question. Are you pregnant? You? Pregnant you? This section is all about signs for police officers. Police officer or police officer. You're doing a C-shaped hand for the badge or a partial C-shaped hand. Police officer. To give a ticket. This is a noun-verb pair. Noun, the ticket, is signed twice, but the verb to give is signed once. To give a ticket. Speeding. You have L-shaped hands on their side and your index fingers are pulling in. Speeding. Warning. Warning. It's like a slap on the wrist. Warning. License. License. You have L-shaped hands and it's making the shape of a license. License. Registration. Registration. It's like you're filling out a piece of paper just with an R hand. Registration. Insurance. Insurance. It's an I shaking back and forth. Insurance. Lawyer. Lawyer. It's the sign law along with the agent marker. Lawyer. To search or to look for. You have a C-shaped hand looking and looking. To search or to look for. Weapon is finger spelled. W-E-A-P-O-N. Weapon. Expire. Expire. You have L-shaped hands with the dominant going down. Expire. Arrest, as in to grab somebody. Arrest them. This is the person and you're grabbing them. Arrest. Now let's put these signs into sentences. You were speeding. You speeding. Your registration has expired. Your registration expired. I'm giving you a ticket. I give you ticket. This next set of signs are signs for firefighters. Firefighter. Firefighter. It's a B-shaped hand or a B-shaped hand on top of the forehead, referencing to their helmets. Firefighter, firefighter. Fire, fire. You have 5-shaped hands wiggling and moving up and down, showing the fire blazing. Fire. Stop, stop. You have your dominant hand coming down to your non-dominant hand, stopping something. Stop. To fall down or to drop, like stop, drop, and roll. This is the person and they can fall down in either way. Fall down. Roll, as in to stop, drop, and roll. This is showing the rolling. Roll. Fire truck or fire engine can be signed with the firefighter sign and the shape of the engine or driving the car. Fire engine or fire truck. Water hose. Water hose. It's the water and then showing, controlling the massive water hose. Water hose. Alarm. Alarm. Your non-dominant hand is flat with your dominant dinging like an alarm. Alarm. Interpreter. Interpreter. This is the sign interpret. It kind of looks like the hands of an interpreter interpreting with an agent marker. Interpreter. Contact, as in to get in contact with someone. Your 2 middle fingers are pointed out, coming in contact with each other. Contact. Soon or soon. You have an F hand right here on your chin or 2 U hands on their side with the dominant going back and forth. Soon, soon. Now let's put these signs into sentences. Calm down. I don't understand. Calm down. Me? Don't understand. An interpreter is arriving soon. Interpreter, arrive soon. Do you have friends or family that you'd like me to contact? Have, friend, family, contact, let know, question, question. We at Learn How to Sign want to thank you for your service to your community, state, and even country. Also, thank you to the families of first responders. The sacrifice from all of you does not go unnoticed. Thank you. This is just video number 2 in our public service series, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a video. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.